Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the game and OS are updated. Outdated builds trigger license errors. Once done, make sure you're signed into the correct Play or Game Center account because the license ties to that profile. Next, clear the app cache and app storage for Gangstar Vegas, then restart your device to remove transient file locks. These actions remove common blockers fast and prepare the app for a fresh license check without reinstalling right away. If the basic steps fail, force stop the app and go to App Permissions. Revoke and then regrant billing and storage permissions so the license handshake can retry. Next, verify Google Play billing services and background data are enabled because the license validator needs uninterrupted network access. If the error persists, reinstall the game to refresh license files. Keep your save linked to the cloud first. This middle phase replaces corrupted app. To finish, sign out of your Play or Game Center account and sign back in to reset the store token. Then launch Gangstar Vegas to trigger a manual license check. Restore your cloud save if prompted, taking care not to overwrite a different profile. If the issue remains, gather your purchase receipt and device logs, then contact the store support with those details so they can validate your purchase. One troubleshooting tip: test on a second device with the same account to isolate device-specific problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.